Bad news, bestie. Your Instagram followers are evacuating faster than you in a group dinner when the check arrives. But don't worry, it's not you. Okay, it might be you, but lucky for you, I'm here to break down the brutal truths, the dumb mistakes, and the easy fixes to stop the hemorrhage. Let's fix your Insta life. Your followers didn't evaporate. They yeeted themselves into the void because your content gave them the ick. Here are the top reasons your follower count's doing the cha-cha slide backwards.
No, don't say that.
Look, Instagram's like your needy friend who calls you 30 times a day. You've got to give it constant attention. Random bursts of activity followed by radio silence, that just won't work. Find a schedule and commit to it. If that means posting 2 times a week, fabulous. 6 times a week, even better. Consistency is key. Not only does it make your content more algorithm friendly, your audience will know what to expect from you, and heck, they might even look forward to it too. Dropping $10 for a bunch of bots isn't fooling anyone, and it's definitely not getting you real engagement. Instagram's algorithm can smell the bots from a mile away, and real followers, they're not sticking around. Seriously, just don't. Instead, audit your follower list by using the new Flagged for Review feature to remove any accounts that seem fishy.
We? Who's we?
Follow for follow is a pyramid scheme. It's desperate, it's fake, and honestly, it's exhausting. If you're still doing this, grab a mirror and have a little chat with yourself. Say this with me, okay? I deserve better. Say it until you believe it. Focus on building an authentic audience. Engage with people who actually consume your content and like it, not just anyone with a pulse.
What do I have to do to make people f***ing listen to me?
Fitness influencer, meme queen, interior designer, pick one. Be something. Your feed is not a mood board for your indecision. Your audience has to know what you are. Think of curating your content along a theme. Learn how to pitch your personal brand in like 4 to 7 words max. Example, Girl Next Door offers subtle beauty tips. Think consistent topics, clear themes, and a vibe that makes people say, I want to follow that.
You have just given me my $1 millionth.
Great. What do I win?
Nothing!
Nobody's scrolling Instagram thinking, wow, I could really use another terrible sales pitch. Give it a rest. Promote stuff sparingly. Focus on organic, relatable content that makes someone say, oh my gosh, same girl. Save the hard sell for your stories, if anything. If you need a number, think at least 3 times more giving than asking.
Don't call me. Don't come by my house. We're done.
Look, sometimes people just grow out of you. Don't take it personally. But if you're still stuck in your peak Instagram aesthetic era, while your audience is binging interesting story times and hilarious memes, you're basically handing them a one-way ticket out. Adapt. That's all we're doing here anyways. And there it is. Losing followers, it's not a death sentence. It's just the algorithm suggesting that you gotta find your people. So go remove those awkward posts, stop being weird about engagement, and for the love of all things Wi-Fi, post like you actually mean it. Oh, and if this little rant hit home, give this video a like. Maybe consider subscribing. And let us know in the comments if we missed anything, because I'm sure there's tons more that we can talk about in another video.